I'm hearing your guides saying that you've recently been tested. This is a test. Either this person, look, Knight of Swords, Justice card. Either this person or this situation, and it's the universe testing you, but I feel like you're going through a bit of a tough time at the moment. I feel like you've broken it. I feel like you have done the right thing, and I feel like you've kind of learnt that lesson. Twin flame, karma. This is the karma coming back around, the karmic cycle. So you're living in a karmic cycle, and you probably date the same person but in different bodies, and you're kind of living out this repetitive behavior, and you're even saying, why is this happening like every time, or what is it that I'm doing wrong? And you're questioning yourself these things because right now you've just been triggered by someone or something. And this is because you've been living out a karmic cycle right now with this person. And I feel like you have found the strength to realize that and to step back from the connection and say, I don't want this. This isn't what I want. I don't want somebody who can fly in and fly out, you know, not literally. But someone who can quickly come in, make you feel great, and then someone who can just as quick go without a second thought, without just nothing, nada. And I feel that you've gone through this before, but there's something about you having a realization now in this connection, and you being like, I'm not doing that again. And because look, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, because you're putting yourself first. This connection with this person is reminding you of someone you have dated before, someone you've been with before, and it's very triggering for you. But the thing about that is you're not the same person. And while you may have fallen for it for a little while, doesn't mean you will continue to do so, because you've decided, actually, I'm going to put myself first. This is strong earth energy, so Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. It's one of your main three, so rising, sun or moon, for sure, definitely. You are choosing to focus on your value, and how you focus on your value is by having strong, healthy boundaries, putting yourself first, focusing on what brings you abundance, what brings you wealth, what brings you money, and living out that cycle. And I feel that whereas this person to you feels tricky, right? Their energy is tricky. They're just not living or coming across and treating you in a stable, complete manner. And you don't need to feel any way about that. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to ask why. You don't need to question it. You just know that this is the nature of the beast. This is who they are. And you simply feel, is this what I want to associate my energy with? And I feel like you've made the right decision. I feel like you have chosen to walk away. And I'm just affirming to you that you choosing you and your finances and your abundance only means that you will be blessed further. Look, you're doing this inner work here, because when we heal and we do work, the universe tests us, and those tests are hard. They're not going to be easy. They're going to be hard. That's why they're a test, right? And not everyone's going to pass it. But I feel like you have. Right, what is there? Anything just to end this on right now? You've decided to pull back your energy and say, no, not today, Satan. Not today. Because you want to focus on you. They're going to regret this. But really on it, because they're immature. So I feel like really honestly, you focus on your abundance, you focus on your wealth, you focus on your business. I feel like you're doing really well. Let the universe test you and just keep knocking them out. You got this. You made the right choice.